Good morning, children. Today we are going to start Unit First Affection, My Mother. In this chapter, we will read about mother. As you all know, God is not present everywhere, so He made mother to take care of His family and children, whatever century it may be. Mothers continue to remain the same, caring and affectionate. In every century, mother's love is same. There is no change in mother's love, whatever century it may be. सेंचुरी मीन्स 100 वर्षों का अंतराल. 100 वर्षों के अंतराल को हम सेंचुरी कहते हैं. यदि हम देखें हर सेंचुरी में 100 वर्षों के अंतराल को, तो मदर्स का जो प्रेम है वह वैसा का वैसा ही है. माई मदर वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल, फेयर and elegant, medium-sized plump person. Though in those days there were no beauty-enhancing cream, my mother remained the most fair and the lovely one. She used to always wear a sari very quickly. Her nimble fingers could adjust its plaits in a fraction of a second. From this paragraph, the writer is describing about his mother. He said that his mother is a good-looking, honest, and simple, medium-sized and plump person. Medium-sized means not too long and not too short. That is called medium-sized. And healthy person. Healthy person means plump person means स्वस्थ व्यक्ति, न जो ज़्यादा न मोटा हो न पतला हो. That is called plump person. In those days there is no beauty products available which increases the beauty of someone. Instead of this, her mother is very fair and lovely. She always wears sari very quickly, and her fingers could adjust plaits in a second. Means she adjusts plaits in a few seconds. Her only makeup used to be a big Shilpa stick on bindi and a dash of Charme's cream. Lipstick she detested. In the makeup, writer's mother only uses the Shilpa stick bindi on her head, and she hates lipstick. She had an unending thirst for knowledge. This made her read Hindi Sahit, English literature and Sanskrit. She has an endless knowledge. Endless knowledge मतलब जिसके ज्ञान की कोई सीमा न हो. Means writer mother has an endless knowledge, so she is able to read Hindi Sahit, English literature and Sanskrit all with easy. Means this all three subject is very easy to her. Music was her forte. She also likes music. Artistic, creative and religious, she sang self-composed hymn. Because of her artistic, creative and religious, she sang hymns which is composed by herself. Means she is very religious. वो धार्मिक किस्म की औरत थी. धार्मिक किस्म के वजह से वो भजन जो है खुद का बनाया हुआ गाती थी. At every satsang, her pathetic fingers played the harmonium flawlessly. When she will attend the satsang, her fingers played the harmonium without any mistake. Means without any mistake, she plays the harmonium very well. Ma always liked homeopathic medicines. She believed in homeopathy more than anyone else did. In this paragraph, we will read about homeopathic medicines. There are very types of medicines. Means there are different types of medicines like Ayurvedic medicine, Videshi medicines and homeopathy medicines. But she has a faith in homeopathy medicines. The sweet globals helped her in bringing up her children smoothly. She studied homeopathy day and night and set up a dispensary for the poor. Means she worked hard in studying the homeopathy medicines, and after studied homeopathy, she set up the clinic for the poor. She worked as an honorary doctor at a Red Cross Homeo clinic. उन्होंने रेड क्रॉस होम्यो क्लिनिक में एक सम्मानपूर्वक डॉक्टर के रूप में काम करा. I remember once she had treated a childless couple. Some years later, they came with their son to thank Ma. Once his mother treated a couple which has no baby, and because of her homeopathy treatment, the couple had a baby after many years. So they came to thank Ma in their clinic.